everybody. Today we're gonna make Crockpot Chocolate Candy. Some sweet chocolate chips and some almond bark. Two of those. And mini marshmallows. And some peanuts. Two of the peanuts. And peanut butter. First I'm gonna put the chocolate chips. The whole thing. And next we are going to put some peanuts. Okay. We are gonna put unsalted dry roasted peanuts. That's a lot. And then we are going to mix it. Next, we are going to put some marshmallows. Now we are mixing it again. Oh no, not the marshmallows. Next, we are going to put the peanut butter. Now we are going to put the whole jar of peanut butter. Now we are gonna put the two whole things of almond bark. Next, we are going to put the crock pot on low for 2.5 hours. Then mix after the first 30 minutes. Alright, now it's the 30-minute mark and we're going to mix it. And it smells really good. We're not ready yet. We're gonna let it cook a little longer. This is after 1 hour and we're going to mix it again. This is after 2.5 hours and it's ready for one last mix. Then we will scoop the mixture to the cupcake liners. The scoop is too big, so we're switching to spoons instead.
We had a little sprinkle incident, but it's fine. So this is the finished, well, it still needs to go in the fridge, but this is the finished scooping everything. What happened was that this got stuck in the cover, and she went to pour it, and it all came out. So we were able to just, lift this up and just pour the sprinkles over the rest of them. But this is it. We got one full tray of these, and then I have 2 already full in the fridge, and these are the last 2. So it's already late. It's like 11:15. It took a little longer than I thought it would. It's just me and the little one scooping it all up, and we'll show you the
Hello?
final. We'll do the final taste test
Hello.
and show the final product tomorrow morning. Good night.
Good night.
This is the finished. This is the next morning, and they harden up really nicely. They form to the side of the cupcake liner, so that's fine. We're just gonna leave them in the cupcake liners when we take them over. So I tasted one already, and they're really good. So Mia's turn to taste it. Hers is the sprinkle accident.
The lid stick to the cover of the sprinkles. So then I didn't realize, and then it just kind of hard to, it's all rainbowy. Hard.
Was it good? Let's see what it looks like. Show me, pick up the candy and show me what it looks like. So it looks like on the inside. All the peanuts and stuff. And it's not very peanut buttery, although even though we put the whole can of peanuts, it's not overwhelming. It almost tastes like a See's candy without like the caramel, like one of those the nut chocolates. It tastes like that.
Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.